Lights, camera, action.
Hi, in this video I will explain how to get the length of the string. In this code I have a string that contains only the word words. It's declared as an array of 8 characters, and I have this variable length s that will contain lately the length of the string. So to get the length of my string, I will use simply the function strlen or strlen with the parameter of my string. So it will return the length and store it in the length s variable. Then I'll print it out with the printf function here. So normally if I count the letters in my string, I will see that it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 characters. So it should print now 5. As you can see in the screen, the return value is 5, which means that the length of my string is equal to 5. So my string contains the word words, which is stored in an array of 8 values. The first values will contain the letters of my words. For each letter will correspond, or for each character will correspond an index. And for the last characters, the values are unknown, or for the last addresses, the values are unknown. The strlen function will return 5 because my string contains 5 characters, and so it will return 5, which also corresponds to the index of the special character indicating the end of the string.